Today I'm going to show you how to do the ladder stitch, which is also known as the invisible or slip stitch. It helps to finish your seams invisibly so you don't actually see the stitches. Here I have a little scrunchie and I've almost finished it. There is this small gap that I'd used to pull through the scrunchie, and now all I need to do is close the seam, but I don't want those stitches to show. First, you'll need to bring your needle up through one fold so the knot is hidden inside. Now, ideally you would be using a matching colour thread to your fabric. I'm using black as a contrast colour so it is easier to demonstrate for you. When sewing the ladders, we only want to work within the two folds. So we only want to enter and exit through the folds, which is one layer. I'm going to hide my knot in between the folds. And I'm going to pull through. To make our first stitch, go directly opposite of where your thread is and poke the needle through a single layer of the fold, coming back out about 1/2 centimetre. I'm just going to pull that one tightly just so we can secure that first stitch. Now we're going to make the rungs of our ladder. So again, looking directly opposite of where your needle came out to the other side, poke your needle down through one layer of the fold and out again. So we're making a vertical line. Let's do that again. So poke your needle opposite and along about 1/2 centimetre. Now we can see we've formed 3 stitches. They look like the rungs of a ladder, hence the name. Now what we want to do is pull gently, not too tight, otherwise it'll gather, and we can see that those stitches are now hidden. We'll keep going along the rest of the gap, again making those rungs by poking our needle down through a single layer of the fold. Once you're at the end, we want to tie a little knot. Just want to pull that knot through. Poke your needle down through the gap and out through another part of the scrunchie so we can hide that knot. Here we go. Now that is our ladder stitch.